All right, so we're taking this one thing that they wanted plus the Subway bag. $2 for the base pay, $1 trip, and then I gotta complete the second one for the second order. Enjoy, man. So I just put confirm that I handed to customer for the second one, and then that was $2, no tip. I earned $5. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna get away from this area as soon as, because I don't like going to those Circle K's and all that stuff, like 7-Eleven. That area that I deliver at, it's a mission to get through. So I'm pausing the orders. I'm gonna get out of this area, gotta put air in my tire real quick at the house, and I'll start dashing again. All right, I got a Panera for $4.75. Let's see how long this one takes. How you doing? Go Tardo. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good one. All right, that order was ready. Nice. See where it's going. Confirm pickup. Get this AC rolling. Directions.
Head northeast.
We're going 0.7 miles. Holy moly, that's close. Let's see when we get there. Looks like it's gonna be somebody's at work probably ordering it. Look like a business is going to. It's literally going like 3 minutes, 4 minutes away from where the Panera is at. So $4.75 for less than 2 miles is great right now. See when we get there. All right, quick update. It's not a business, it's a community. She says 027 pound is the thing to call her. So we're just gonna wait for this lady to never get through, because she'll probably not be able to contact no one, and then we'll be up next. Here, I finally got in, so let's figure this out. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Over to the customer. All right, so we went 0.08 miles for 12 minutes, $2.75 Doordash. Customer tip $2 for a total of $4.75. I'm gonna pause the order so I can go get my wife, because she should be coming home soon. Oh, I was gonna show you, it had the gas at 317. It moved up when I moved up, because that's like her number. March 17th is her birthday. I was gonna show you, but it went away. It went to 319. See ya. All right, I'm gonna pick up my wife, 317. Like I said, that's her number. It's a sign. I gotta go get my baby. See you with the Cuban. All right, guys, we got a 925 for Chipotle. We're here in the parking lot, so let's see how this goes. So, Diana R. Yeah, I think of that Izzy. How you doing today? That's good.
So like, just somebody cancel our order, like they cancel their order.
I've never had it happen.
Like, what would you do? It's coming.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I don't know. I've had one where they gave my order to someone else.
That was a lot.
Huh?
That was a lot here.
No, not here. I'm just saying in theory. And I was like, okay, so I had to call the customer, and then she had to call the store, and then I had to get the order like kind of redone. No, we're sitting there waiting, you know? And then that Izzy's in here, right? Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. All right, so we got that pretty quick. Thank you, buddy. Now we're gonna race to the car and go to the address. All right, guys, so I made it in the car.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Southwest 312th Street.
16 minutes, 5.9 miles. See when we
Turn
get
right
there.
onto Southwest.
Guys, let's go turn in this order. It says hand it to customer, so we're gonna hand it to the customer. How are you?
Hey, what's up?
There you go, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. All right. $375 base pay. $550 tip. I guess we gotta return out of here for a total of $925. So we're at a total of 27 bucks for this dash. See you at the next one. So this one says app and pickup lane. So let's see if this works. So this person ordered a chicken bites combo box.
What's the name on the
Anelis. Anelis.
order?
Thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing? Anelis? Thank you. Have a good one.
I'm gonna get you drink.
Oh, okay, okay. And a large Sprite. Oh, thank you. Confirm pickup. According to Ranger. I'm pretty sure you gotta go that way. Make a right and then a left. Confirm pickup. We're getting the address. Directions.
Head east towards Southwest 312th Street, Northeast 8th Street.
5.5 miles. Let's see when we get there. I'll turn that off. Alright, let's go drop this off. Hello. Anelis? Hi. Alright, here's a drink.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got it all?
Yeah.
Alright.
Head south on
Alrighty,
Southwest
have a good one.
Place towards Southwest 263rd Terrace, then turn right onto Southwest 263rd Terrace.
Hand it to customer.
The address is on that side of the mailbox, but not this side.
Alright, so no tip, $4.25. And then we're gonna pause it because I don't like this area. It says deliver. Places they send you terrible. Pause orders and see you when we get the next one. So we got a 650 plus going from Pinecrest. It's only going like 2.7 miles. This is the order we've been waiting for. This is why we have to. This is why we have to increase our acceptance rate to close to 70%. Because if not, you'll keep getting these low orders, and they'll prioritize the higher paying orders to someone else. So we're gonna park right here in reverse. I'm gonna go inside the bakery and see what's going on. And we sat around for about, I would say about like maybe like 8 minutes waiting for this one. All right, let's go. Hola. Oh, Sandra M. Pickup. Sandra M. Sí. 12 la docena empanada. Doordash. Sí, Doordash, sí. Sí, 12 la docena empanada de carne.
Una empanada, una docena. La docena de empanada de carne.
De carne, ya. Dale, hermano. Nos vemos. Buenas tardes. Igual. Alright guys, I was in there helping them out with the customers until I got my order. So we're gonna hit confirm as soon as I get in the car and we're gonna be on our way. My little Cuban over there. Alright, let's hit this order and then we're gonna head over there. Alright, so we're going 1.9 miles for 650 plus. Hopefully we get the plus, yeah. See when we get there.
95th Street towards
All right, we're here and we're gonna drop it off.
144th course. You will arrive at your destination.
For a second in case they come out, I can show them where it's at. All right, so this one was 2.5 miles, 15 minutes. DoorDash paid $2.50, customer tip $5.50, so instead of $6.50 the total was $8. And there's your high pay order. See you on the next one. All right, looks like we're gonna end the night with a sweeping low 275 for 1.3 miles. Whatever. Let's go get it. I don't know why these people be opening people's stuff and looking in there, man. It's crazy.
Right? I just want to fit all of it today. Because usually I put it there, but...
Nah, I'm just saying, I'm not opening nobody's order. Like, that's why you seal it, like, so they don't open it. Like, I just seen a guy open it right now. Like, what are you looking for, buddy? You know how to make, you know how the burrito's supposed to be made, or what? I'd be mad if somebody came with my bag open. I'd be like, what you?
Because they was all like, when I leave right here, they'll look inside the bag.
It's weird. Like,
and then they'll turn the bag around, and they were like, it's not there. That's why I be trying to catch it.
yeah. I don't know, man. To me, it don't make no sense. Like, it's supposed to be sealed so that when you get it to the customer, they know that you didn't tamper with it, and if it's wrong, it's wrong. You know, like, you know.
They should start hiding what they ordered, so they don't have to look at that.
Well,
some people, they be
that's a plus and a minus. I go to sometimes when I go to Burger King, their machine doesn't show their order, and we have to show them what it is, and they'll start making it there. So when I go to, I don't even take orders from that area no more. It's terrible. The 288.
Oh, that's on my house.
Yeah, nah, man. Then they want you to go to that 7-Eleven there with some, everything's a mission, you know? Like, if I got to order over there, I'll pause it. And I'll wait till I get back over here. I don't care.
Spanish music. I love Spanish music. I like it today. I always like, you should sign us. When I was in charge of the music, it was pure Spanish. And then I put country and they got mad at me. So...
Thank you. Y'all have a good night. Thank you very much. Have a good night. 161. So we know it's gonna be accomplished. Oh, this is gonna be like that place we went last time. Not too far. You didn't go there, but I went there. All right, see you when I get there. All right, guys, we're at our last order. Let's go ahead and complete the delivery steps. Take a photo. It says leave at the door. We got the photo done. Complete delivery. Confirm. And that's gonna be it for the night. It's getting too dark. Yeah. So now it's my turn to drive since we're finished. So I'm gonna hit Doordash. We're gonna have 4 minutes left.